Let's talk about Kictero Premium Lemon Squeezer Manual Citrus Juicer Lemon Press. High-strength design guarantees long-time usage, and no toxic material into food while juicing. This tool is sturdy and will not rust in reaction to juices. A must-have tool for any kitchen or bar, ideal for salads, fish, drinks and other cooking needs. Large capacity, large bowl 2.8 diameter can handle large size lemon and lime, even small orange. Do not waste time trying to squeeze them with your bare fingers. Your hands will not be stained with lemon juice by using this tool. Simple design, designed for effective extraction, this handheld lemon squeezer won't waste an ounce of juice. Nested cartridge holder presses have lemons or limes, filtering juice out of the bottom. Press the handles together firmly until the tool has extracted all the juice. It's that simple. Easy to use for both kids and old men and for both amateurs and professionals. Easy to clean. Once finished using the lemon juicer, it's very easy to clean it by hand or just placing it inside the dishwasher since this lemon squeezer is dishwasher safe. So feel free to clean it whatever you'd like. Premium support, 100 lifetime warranty, money back guarantee, and 724 email support for your peace of mind. The perfect gift for a budding bar person. Make sure you have the fruit flesh facing the holes in the bottom of the press. That way will ensure that all the juice is completely squeezed out. However, squeezing too hard makes the oil in the skin to mix with the juice and that makes it bitter. If you want nice juice, cut the fruit in half then slice the skin from the fruit. Also, the skin can be used to form what is known as a twist. For those of you who do not know what a twist is, it is a technique that when you cut the skin off in rectangular strips and hold over the drink to literally squeeze the oil onto the top of the drink, which produces an aroma of said fruit, usually an orange, lime or lemon. The quality is absolutely rubbish. The cup part of the press has been out of shape so that it won't close properly and the lemon will not get squeezed. I can do a better job with my hands. Calling this premium is a joke. I have attached pictures to show the bend in the cup. And the worst thing is that once this bend is now there, it is impossible to squeeze a lemon in it without it bending further and hence not squeezing the juice out at all. I have attached photos where you can see that the cup is distorted into an oval shape. Do not buy this rubbish product, caveat emptor. Unfortunately, it is not the best quality. It felt flimsy and did not squeeze properly from the very beginning. After a while, it started to deform and after only 5 months of using one of the handles broke. Not worth the money.